everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to talk about this dress that I made. It's my latest Minerva project, so let's get started. First of all, let me welcome you back to the channel if you are returning. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Denise and I want to talk about this dress that I made. Most of you know I am a Minerva maker, which means that I'm gifted fabric by them. I get to choose what it is that I want for them from their selections, which can be maybe a couple hundred different fabrics. So this time around, I chose this John Kaldor soft crepe. It is a polyester crepe and it's very flowy and it is quite soft. I wanted to do a dress, but I wasn't sure, so I chose this pattern, which is an older pattern. It's Vogue 8847, this one here. But because we are heading into, well, it is spring and we're heading into summer, I did not want to do, there's no way I was going to do long sleeves because that would just be pointless. I wouldn't be able to wear it. So I chose sleeves from another pattern, which is Butterick 6446. That's this one here. This is also an older pattern. I'm not sure if they came out around the same time. This one is a later pattern here. This one was from 2017. I believe the first one. This is from 2012, I think. But I chose these sleeves on here because I like the length. I like the kind of a bell sort of look for this particular fabric. So that's what I did. And first, let me tell you, I had absolutely no problems setting in those sleeves because with this, I needed something that's going to have a set-in sleeve because that's how this one works. That's why I chose that particular pattern. I had no problems whatsoever setting the sleeves in from the Butterick pattern into the Vogue pattern. It was like it was made to go there. Putting the dress together was easy. I like how it has a V-neck. Now I made VB, which has the collar. I just like how that looks. I really like how the length came out. I think it's really nice. It's a very classic style. So even, you know, more than 10 years later, it is still a perfectly good pattern. If you have this one, go ahead and make it because it's a really nice pattern. Like I said, it's not very difficult to put together. It is rated very easy Vogue pattern. So yeah, it's one of their easier styles to put together. Now, one of the things that makes this dress so easy to sew is that it is a pullover. So it's loose fitting and it's just simply a pullover dress. So you don't have to worry about any zippers or buttons, none of that. And there are pockets, inseam pockets in it. So those are included as well. And you can use border prints like they show you on the pattern envelope. I really like this fabric. Now, I'll be honest, I'm a little concerned because it is 100% polyester. So we'll see how it goes for the summer because I live in a place where it can be very humid in the summer. But with this fabric being so soft and breezy, I'm hoping that, you know, I won't feel like I'm stuck to the dress when I wear it. It's terrific fabric. I love the print on it and the color because I think it looks really good. And it washes and dries very easily because that's the first thing I do when I get these fabrics. This fabric, by the way, was gifted to me and it's very easy to work with. Now, the only time that I used a walking foot for the dress was when I was hemming because I had it pinned up nicely how I wanted it, and it's a slightly slippery fabric. So I did use a walking foot for just that portion. I didn't use it for the construction actually of any other part of the dress, but that worked out great. You can, or you don't really necessarily need to use a walking foot if you don't have one. But yeah, I will leave you a link to the fabric, and I am not sure if these patterns are available. They may be probably on like eBay and Etsy where you would be able to find them. But yeah, really nice, very comfortable to wear. And I'm very happy with how the dress turned out. But hey, this is why you should keep your patterns because you never know. Most of my patterns aren't super trendy anyway. So me keeping them, it's only mostly a matter of, can I fit it still? Not so much it being out of style. So this is a good reason to keep your patterns, because you never know, you can just whip up something and hey, you've got a brand new outfit. So now basically that is it for this video. Please go ahead and hit like and consider subscribing to my channel. That actually helps to push out my content to others who would be interested in sewing. But I thank you all for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.